19 money rules everyone should learn by 25. Number 1. Pay yourself first. As soon as you get paid, put money into saving. Automating this is even better. Number 2. Keep a 6 months emergency fund. If you have multiple streams of income, you can start as early as 3 months. If you are just starting out on your own, you could need as much as 12 months. Number 3. Budget using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% towards saving or investing. This is the bare minimum. Number 4. Divide your bonus into thirds. 1 divided by 3 for fun, 1 divided by 3 for retirement, 1 divided by 3 for debt pay down. Add to retirement if only low interest debt. Number 5. Put all or a large percentage of your raise into saving and investing. This helps avoid lifestyle inflation and moves up your retirement date. Number 6. Avoid high interest debt. If you have it, use the avalanche or snowball method to pay it off. Google them. Number 7. Always take advantage of your employer's $401,000 match. Many employers will match a percentage of your paycheck. This money is getting an immediate 100% return. If you turn this down, it's the same as turning down a raise. Number 8. Your home payment, mortgage, interest, insurance should cost less than 25% of your monthly income. Number 9. When buying a car, use the 20-4-10 rule if you have to. 20% down, 4-year loan, less than 10% of your monthly income. I still prefer to buy older vehicles with cash, but to each to their own. Number 10. You should save at least 15% of your income for retirement. Number 11. Your age subtracted from 100 represents the percentage of stocks you should have in your portfolio. Some are now using the number 120. Number 12. The stock market has a long-term average return of 10% to calculate your return. It's common to use 6 to 8% to capture the effect of inflation. 13. The 72 hours rule tells you how long it will take your investment to double. Example, the stock market returns 10%, so 72 divided by 10 equal 7.2 years to double your money. Number 14. The 4% rule says you can safely withdraw 4% of your starting investment balance each year and not run out of the money. Number 15. Your net worth should be equal to your age x pre-tax income divided by 10. Example, if you are 35 years old and earn $100,000 annually, then your net worth should be $350,000. 16. Have at least 5 times your gross salary in term life insurance. Number 17. Before spending money, wait 24 hours and ask, do you still want it? If you do, go ahead and buy it. This will save you from a lot of impulse purchases. 18. Save for retirement first, then for your children's education. Number 19 and the last one. Value time over money and experience over things.